Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Dr. Kaisar Farooq. In today's episode, we have taken you to the Lawaghar Dam, Karak, and you can see the water stream is coming from the top of the dam, and this is the natural source of water that comes out in between the mountains, and this is going straight to the fields of the crops. So stay tuned for amazing content and subscribe to the channel. तो नाजरीन, इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं लावागढ़ डैम करक में। ये आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़ारा देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ ग्रीनरी all the way on the mountains, the beautiful landscape and the flow of water from the dam. Here is the water transmission line to the Karak city. You can see it, and this is the rest house of Lawaghar Dam, Karak. Here is the view. This is basically was built to store the water of the Lawaghar Dam, which was a huge flow of water when it would be rain. But despite of that, there are so many other streams of water that come out of these mountains. So it was built in 2005, and the then CMKP Akram Khan Durrani inaugurated the construction of dam. The lush green water and the waves over it are amazing. This is such a soothing view, and you can enjoy it. View of the dam. The birds are chirping, the air is singing, and the view is soothing. Enjoy the view. On my back, and this is the rest house of the Lawaghar Dam, which was built initially for the guests and tourists visiting the dam. But unfortunately, it is in extremely bad condition. No maintenance on the government side, as well as the public ignorance. Beside this, the view behind the rest house is amazing. This is the another view, another stream of the water coming into the dam. What an amazing view! The flow of water from the stream is amazing. You might don't see it, but this is amazing. And this is the snow, and this is the waterfall of the dam.
Побрежнево. А то туда тільки как она?
The beautiful landscape and the great mountains. That's all for today. See you in the next episode and bye for now.